sing no hit. Give me little rhythm, make me sing one quick. This is the studio and I'm man of the song. Come no music man, make me mash up the land. I want to sing a hit song. It's been so long, I want to sing a hit song. Don't keep me down, I want to sing a hit song. It's been so long, I want to sing a hit song. Oh Lord, every day I get up, I look into the world. I see big cars, I see pretty girls. I'll be a better man if I got money in my hand. Help me, oh Jah, I want to come on strong, I want to sing a hit song. It's been so long, I want to sing a hit song. Don't keep me down, I want to sing a hit song. It's been so long, I want to sing a hit song.
You have got lines. You've got 5 lines.
You have to make a few lines, yeah?
You've got 5 lines.
Put yourself
you've got
with those columns.
No, you don't even have to put yourself first. No, don't look at her thing.
I actually hasn't written anything.
How can she not write anything?
Right, I've put...
Don't worry, it's a game.
Let's get the headbands out.
Tamsin.
Right.
Yeah, you completely
But I will know because she has shown me.
Right, we shall see them. You try teaching.
No, Dad, that was a good explanation.
1, 2.
Yeah, I have got that part right, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, Paula, you see, I can't get to the lounge. The duck is in the door.
Go the other way.
Paula's barricading the door.
I know, it's good. It's a good tactic, actually, although I don't think you knew it. But I can't get in. I can't get to the lounge. The lounge lizard.
Oh God, Neil, please.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There you go. You'll go.
Donald in the lounge.
With the clapperboard.
With the clapperboard.
Tamsin.
No, it's me first.
It's fine, it's fine. Just go round in a circle.
Go round in order.
Oh, you just do order?
I don't have any. So you put crosses onto...
Oh, you're such a bad mouseketeer.
I'm not. Nancy told me the truth.
And who's Nancy?
She was one of the tour guides.
Okay.
Avatar extension.
Who cares?
Robin Williams was the Jungle Cruise skipper. That's the best fact I've ever heard in my entire life.
That is, I genuinely didn't know that one.
Disney owns 27,000 acres, which equals 2 Manhattans.
That's huge.
They had to repaint Main Street in 2 weeks before it opened for the first time ever because of the Florida sun. They got the wrong paint.
Whoops.
They hide snacks in the trees for the light.
I love that.
That's the best one.
I did ask that though, about why did they have like certain things in the trees.
Yeah. What things in the trees?
I said that there were like wire in the trees, do you remember? I was like, why are there wire in the trees? And I think your dad...
They had snacks in the trees and also they air conditioned the rocks because Disney, but this doesn't occur to us because we didn't see any animals. All we saw was rocks and trees. But Disney has an 80% viewage rate. That's not what it's called. They have 80% of animals being seen all the time. But because they trick them, they hide the snacks on the rocks.
Not on the rocks. They cool the rocks and put the snacks in the trees. So what was your genuine thought of the Behind the Magic tour?
I got a lanyard that says Rosie on it. And I got a pin that says Backstage Magic Tour.
And I got a pin.
And I'm going to sleep with it on. And I'm never going to take it off even when I shower. The snacks in the trees.
The snacks in the trees. We have been playing the Twilight Zone Tower of Terror version of Cluedo tonight.
I was 2 people away from winning. If Mum hadn't have guessed, I would have had it in the bag.
Well, I got it all wrong. Somehow I went wrong. The 2 characters who were the murderers.
Upon us on every single holiday. So good tactics.
The 2 characters who were to do with the murder, I had down as Dad having. So I was completely off track.
Jimbo was throwing you off track.
I would not make a good murder detective in any way.
Dun, dun, dun. Oh.
Today has not been the best day for weather. It rained from midday until 5 o'clock.
It was the best day for it to rain.
Hang on, I just said it wasn't the best day for weather and you said it was the best day for rain.
It was the best day for it to rain on our holiday. because we weren't together, we weren't in a park.
That's true.
We weren't, do you know what I mean?
That's true.
Like, you did your editing.
Yeah. Tomorrow we are off to IHOP. We haven't had American pancakes since we've been here, and we've been saving ourselves to go to IHOP, which is the International House of Pancakes.
Stuffing our faces.
Well, we haven't. We've been really good this holiday.
I haven't.
Yes, you have.
I haven't eat anything, Tammy.
Tammy.
Tamaroo.